Now we'll take a look at note-taking for review writing. Now, some people can take very little notes when experiencing their subject, playing a video game, watching a TV show or concert, or using a new cell phone. I am not one of those people, so I recommend taking as many notes as you can so you don't forget key details later. Like writing any other piece of journalism, it's good to start with the facts. Now, not everything will make it into the finished story, but it's good to start with where a concert is being held, who is directing or acting in a play, how long an art exhibit will run, and other FYI facts. Now, you might also want to do a little research into your subject, taking a look at previous work, other restaurants a cook has worked, other books written by an author, or other albums a musician has released. Now, for all things cinematic, your new best friend is the Internet Movie Database. Online at imdb.com and available as a mobile app, the IMDb is an online database containing millions of movies, TV episodes, and all the people who worked on them, from actors and directors to composers and makeup artists. This will come in handy when writing your movie review, or anytime you're watching something on TV and can't remember where you've seen that person before. Now, after your facts, you want to provide your sensory impressions. How did what you are reviewing look, sound, and make you feel? If you are reviewing a restaurant, how did the food smell and taste? Your sensory impressions influence your opinion, so feel free to include them in your notes and, if appropriate, in the actual review. Write down quotes from the movie, book, TV show, etc. that illustrate what's going on. And finally, what is your reaction to what you are reviewing? Now, this is one thing you probably won't forget, but with time, that feeling might change. Now, that's also interesting to note. If you find you feel differently an hour or a day after you end your review, but before you start writing.